What's going on, you guys? So, as you can see, I'm pulling the Supra in. I figured I'm trying to sell this thing, but I really don't care about selling this thing, and I kind of want to drive this thing, so I decided I'm just going to pull it in, throw it up on the lift, and give it a little once-over. Probably change the wastegate spring out, too. I think I'm going to turn the boost up on it so I can have a little bit more fun with it. So I think first thing I'm going to do is pull this downpipe out of here. That way I can get the wastegate off a little bit easier. So luckily this is easy enough to get to. I'm just going to throw a zip tie up around the exhaust just to hold that up in place. That way it doesn't want to fall down when I take that V-band out. And I'm probably just going to zip tie that up though. Should work. Okay. There's that. I'm gonna pop my little ghetto filter off here too and check out this turbo real quick while I'm at it. Make sure everything's still good. Everything looks good still. Pretty standard shaft play. Nothing crazy. Now that we have the downpipe out of the way, we should be able to get to the wastegate pretty easily. Just how to undo that one clamp there and pop it out. eBay wastegates. eBay wastegates. Fucking eBay wastegates. eBay wastegates. Fuck. This quickly just turned from a let's change a wastegate spring out video to let's see what's broken in this eBay piece of shit. Oh, I think that just came loose. Alright. This actually might not be that bad of a fix. Loosen up these set screws. Okay, so there's definitely some exhaust leakage going on through there. And this is basically just loose, I think. That is just loose. Which is never good. Definitely not a good thing. But it is an easy fix. Other than that, the housing doesn't look cracked. Everything looks good on the inside. I mean, the fitment on this valve is not the best. You can see we are getting a little bit of exhaust blow by on there. You know, definitely wouldn't recommend these wastegates. And that's coming from somebody who is running 2 of these wastegates on his drift car temporarily, just because I don't have the money to buy good wastegates right now. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna crank this son of a bitch back down on here, tighten this back up, set that lock screw back in, put it back together with a bigger wastegate spring in it. Now, how much good this Loctite will actually do? Probably nothing, because this gets so hot, but better to be safe than sorry. Now, before I tighten this back together, always leave a little bit of a gap and make sure that your seal is completely seated in. That way you don't pinch it and tear it when you actually tighten it down. So looks like we're good. I'm gonna go ahead, tighten this the rest of the way down, and then double check my spring pressure with my leak down tester. Went a little quick on that. Perfect. Looks like we're at about 12 psi. Should be good. So we're going to throw it back on the car. That'll be that. good number. Looks like we're about 12 psi. About 12 pounds of boost now. Before we were at 9, so we did pick up you know, 3 pounds of boost. Feels pretty good, nothing crazy, but safe, conservative. If we want, we can put the boost controller on it, maybe give it another 2 or 3 pounds of boost and be good. But I think for now we're gonna call that good. Alright, you guys, and there we go. Turn the boost up a little bit, put some air in the tires, went through checks for some leaks, actually fixed an exhaust leak while we were at it too. The clocking on the downpipe kind of wiggled around and got loose, so there was a slight exhaust leak, and that's now fixed. But I figured I would pull that car in, get a little bit of Supra content out there for you guys. Hopefully I'll be putting the smaller turbo on it soon, getting some new tires for it, because you know, I really want to start driving that thing. I do miss driving it. And it's a ton of fun, you know, but as always, it is still for sale because I do need to get a truck and trailer to take this thing to events. Anyways, that's going to be it for this one. So like the video if you liked it. Maybe you want to see more Supra content and don't want me to sell that. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, follow the builds along, and until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.